First of all, I just want to tell you how impressive you are for making it to the end of this class. Seamless pattern design is the most challenging pattern type, and it took me years to fully master the process. So you are already ahead of the curve when it comes to surface design. You can take the skills you learned today and create so many cool designs that have real-world applications in the surface design industry. I can't wait to see how your pattern came together. Please feel free to share your artwork in the Student Project Gallery down below. You can find the gallery under the Projects and Resources tab. On the right, you'll see a green button that says Create Project. Click that, and once you're there, you'll have the option to upload a cover photo, add a title, and write a little description. You can include both text and images here. And if you happened to snap a few process photos along the way, I would love to see those as well. So please consider sharing a photo of your sketch or painting, then how the final pattern came together in Photoshop. And since the Photoshop files that we created today are massive, it'll work best if you just take a screenshot of your Photoshop file. Then upload that screenshot to the project gallery. Screenshots will upload much faster to Skillshare than our massively giant Photoshop files. Once your project is uploaded, it'll appear in the Student Project Gallery. You can view other projects here, and I encourage you to like and comment on each other's work. If you want to share your project on Instagram, please tag me @CatCoke and Skillshare @Skillshare so we can like and comment there as well. And bonus, from time to time, I decide to highlight student work in my emails, so there's always a chance that you can get your artwork featured there as well. And speaking of emails, if you want to get a heads up as soon as I launch my next class, please click that follow button up above to follow me on Skillshare. Not only will you be the first to know as soon as my next class comes out, but I also send out messages to my followers, and they're packed with useful tips, freebies and artist resources, and the occasional free Skillshare membership giveaway. I love giving my students these fun perks. And you can also follow me on Instagram to see new artwork I'm creating and where in the world I'm living at the moment. Right now, I'm in my Airbnb in Mexico, where I've been living on and off for the last year. My next destination is Spain, where I'll be hosting an artist retreat over the summer, and after that, who knows? I've been living out of a suitcase for the last 6 years, so life is a complete adventure. And last thing, I want to recommend a few classes for you since you took my Seamless Patterns class today. If you enjoyed this one and you want to check out more of my classes along the same vein, I recommend watching Cultivating Color, Vary Palettes in Original Art and Grow Your Portfolio. In that class, you'll take a deep dive into color exploration in Photoshop. Plus, I drop a lot of value bombs in terms of creating color palettes that sell especially well, and how to track color trends so your artwork can rise to the cream of the crop. You can find that class by clicking my name above this video and scrolling down my profile to see all of my other classes. Another one you might be interested in is a step-by-step guide to art licensing. Sell your first piece of artwork online. In that class, you'll basically get a head start in selling your artwork online, focusing on print-on-demand sites like Society6. Since I've sold over 100,000 products on Society6, this class is essentially me telling you everything that's worked very well for me. And last but not least, if you want to learn how to create a repeat pattern on your iPad using the drawing app Procreate, check out my class, Drawing Seamless Patterns in Procreate, plus Professional Surface Design Tips. That's another beginner-friendly class, so even if you've never used Procreate before, you'll be able to follow along just fine. Alright, if you enjoyed my class today, please leave a review. These reviews mean a lot to me, and I love reading about what you thought of my class. I've been teaching on Skillshare for over 5 years, and the fulfillment I get out of being a teacher is what keeps me motivated to continue inspiring my students. You guys are awesome. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait to see your seamless patterns. Take care, and I'll see you next time.